Welcome to Appspotr Academy. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Revoke push permission logic block, which is essential for removing previously granted permissions for push notifications in your app, ensuring users can opt out or disable notifications when needed. Imagine a fitness app where users receive daily workout reminders. If a user decides to pause their membership, you might want to revoke their push notification permissions temporarily. The Revoke push permission logic block allows you to automate this process, ensuring that notifications are only sent to active users. Now let's go through the steps to add and configure the Revoke push permission logic block in your workflow. Drag the Revoke push permission logic block into your workflow to integrate it into your application. Next, connect the Revoke push permission block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the revocation process when it occurs. Finally, set up toast messages for on success and on error scenarios. These messages will notify users whether the revocation was successful or if there was an issue.